Theory of evolution and diversity of species on Earth. The theory of evolution, proposed by Charles Darwin in the 19th century, revolutionized our understanding of the natural world and the origins of life on Earth. According to this theory, all living organisms are descended from common ancestors and have evolved over time through a process of natural selection, in which those organisms best adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. The theory of evolution has profound implications for our understanding of the diversity of species on Earth. It explains why there are so many different species, each adapted to its own unique environment and ecological niche. Moreover, it shows us that the diversity of life on Earth is not fixed but is constantly changing and evolving over time. One of the key mechanisms of evolution is genetic variation. Genetic variation refers to the differences in DNA sequences among individuals within a population. These differences arise through mutations, which are changes in the DNA sequence that occur randomly during DNA replication. Some mutations may have no effect on an organism's fitness, while others may provide an advantage or disadvantage in a particular environment. Natural selection then acts on this genetic variation, favoring those individuals with traits that are better adapted to their environment. For example, a population of birds with longer beaks may be better adapted to feeding on a particular type of flower with a long, narrow corolla. Over time, the proportion of individuals with longer beaks in the population may increase, as they are more successful at feeding and reproducing. This process of natural selection can lead to the formation of new species, as populations become isolated from one another and evolve independently. The diversity of species on Earth is truly remarkable. There are estimated to be between 5 and 10 million species on Earth, although only a fraction of these have been formally described and named. Species are found in every corner of the planet, from the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, and they exhibit an incredible range of adaptations and behaviors. One of the most famous examples of evolution in action is the finches of the Galapagos Islands. Darwin observed that the finches on different islands had different beak shapes and sizes, adapted to the different types of food available on each island. This observation provided strong evidence for the role of natural selection in shaping the diversity of life on Earth. Moreover, the diversity of species on Earth is constantly changing over time. Species can go extinct, either through natural processes or as a result of human activities such as habitat destruction and climate change. New species can also arise, through the process of speciation, as populations become isolated and diverge from one another. The study of evolution and the diversity of species on Earth is not only fascinating but also has practical implications for our understanding of the natural world and our efforts to conserve it. By understanding the mechanisms of evolution and the factors that drive speciation and extinction, we can develop better strategies for conserving biodiversity and protecting endangered species. Furthermore, the study of evolution has also contributed to many other fields, such as medicine and agriculture. Evolutionary biology has provided insights into the genetic basis of diseases and the development of drug resistance, leading to the development of new treatments and therapies. In agriculture, the study of evolution has led to the development of new crop varieties that are better adapted to specific environments and more resistant to pests and diseases. However, the theory of evolution has also been the subject of controversy and debate, particularly in religious and cultural contexts. Some individuals and groups reject the theory of evolution, arguing that it conflicts with their religious beliefs or undermines moral values. This has led to conflicts and tensions between different